This is AdvertSuite Review, allowing you to profit big without spending any money testing ads that don't work. See how AdvertSuite 2.0 works in 3 easy steps. Target audience. Enter your target audience filters: age, audience, keywords, competitors. View results. View active and past campaigns, landing pages, and results from any advertiser online. Copy and implement. Copy and implement the ads that work so you don't waste money on ads that don't. Why FB ads and AdvertSuite? AdvertSuite is the first and largest software of its kind to ensure you run FB ads that make you money right out the gate. It's that simple. AdvertSuite allows you to bank big today on the leading online traffic generation method, FB advertising. 57% of FB users say FB ads influence their shopping purchases. 78% of American consumers say they've discovered products from FB ads. 28% of users who have made a purchase from a FB ad. 93% of social media advertisers use FB ads. T's clear: most businesses make most of their money online through FB ads. However, I found there are some key problems for people that have tried them, especially beginners. So it made me think, what if I could create a software that shows all the FB ads in the world, the engaged audience of the most successful ads, and the exact landing page, so I can replicate and bank on the winners instantly? After being told it could not be done, I created a solution, and here are some of the results. Start creating winning ads instantly by finding and replicating what FB ads work right now, and start profiting today with AdvertSuite. AdvertSuite is the world's largest database of FB ads. AdvertSuite allows you to 1. See all the ads in any niche by searching a keyword, competitor, fan page, or domain, and one-click segment out the winners. 2. Instantly see who the ad is targeting, and more importantly, who is engaging with the ad, so you can replicate it. 3. See exactly where the ad is going so you know what sales page design converts. 4. Replicate the winning ads for your business and never worry about creating an ad that doesn't work. Here is how AdvertSuite 2.0 is going to have you making bank as early as today. Remove the guesswork of FB ads. AdvertSuite shows you exactly what ads are working now and what are not, so you don't waste money on ads that don't work. Search for keywords, niches, competitors, and even domains to see what ads are running and, more importantly, winning. Generate buyer traffic today with ads. Remove the need to test, change, and edit ads by allowing AdvertSuite to show you the best performing ads in your niche. Competitor breakdown. AdvertSuite will show you any competitors running ads along with their landing page in one dashboard, so you can see what works and replicate. World's largest FB ads database. AdvertSuite gives you the world's largest FB ads library to search, with over 80 million ads from 15 different countries with thousands of new ads added daily. Demographic and engagement filters. These allow you to search ads based on gender, age, marital status, and location, along with searching most likes, comments, or shares to see what users are engaging with the most. Geolocation filters. Hate not knowing which countries to target. AdvertSuite breaks down where any ad is being shown to allow you to better identify the audience you are targeting. Video and image. Ad integration. With video ads being a leading ad strategy, AdvertSuite will show you what video ads are working the best for your niche in today's market. Call to action based sorting. AdvertSuite will allow you to filter ads according to their call to action to show you what is the right call to action for your campaign and niche. Ad position filtering. Ever wondered what ads perform better in the newsfeed versus the sidebar? AdvertSuite solves this by showing you what currently is working best in both. Funnel breakdown module. AdvertSuite will not only show you the winning ads, but also allow you to see the landing page the traffic is being sent to in one dashboard, allowing you to replicate the winning funnels. I created AdvertSuite to allow customers to remove the guesswork of FB ads and never waste money testing again. AdvertSuite 1.0 became the #1 social traffic software in the world because it simply gave users results, and now AdvertSuite 2.0 is here, and this is your chance to dominate on the #1 advertising platform in the world. It doesn't matter what niche you are in, AdvertSuite helps you bank big, fast by having others spend money doing the testing so you don't have to. Also in AdvertSuite 2.0, you get over 80 million new ads and ad types were added to dominate any niche without ever testing ads. Since 2019, we've added millions of ads every single month, along with over 10 types of new ads that Facebook, Insta, Google, and YouTube have added. From Instagram story ads, video ads, side column ads, third-party site ads, and retargeting ads, you name it, AdvertSuite has it and allows you to never spend money testing what works because AdvertSuite shows you. Instantly dominate on Instagram, YouTube, and Google ads at a time with our AI syndication suite. AdvertSuite allows you to now search and see every Instagram, Google, and YouTube ad unlike ever before. AdvertSuite 1.0 had basic searches for these platforms but focused primarily on FB ads, but in 2022 Insta, YouTube, and Google ads are core platforms people use to create sales, and AdvertSuite has moved to be the true one-stop shop for the big four platforms. This syndication will be Auto 1. Create huge lists and sales with our AI funnel search software. Want to search ads that go directly to a funnel page and instantly be able to build a funnel that wins? Use AdvertSuite's funnel search to find ads that only go to ClickFunnels, lead pages, or any funnel site. This is perfect for those list building, doing affiliate, Ecom, or local marketing. Find winning Ecom products and ads in any niche with our Ecom Search Feature. AdvertSuite allows you to see ads that only go to a Shopify, Magneto, or WooCommerce store, along with showing you the ads and products that actually make sales. Simply enter your niche, one-click filter the winners and replicate, or use AdvertSuite to find products that are selling right now or select ads that are running in the past 6 months. The opportunities here are endless. Affiliate marketing plus special interest search feature. Finally, be able to promote offers and niches such as CBD, men's health, crypto, etc. Dramatically increase your income without ever worrying about getting banned. One of the biggest problems many advertisers have is knowing how to create ads that promote an affiliate offer or a gray area niche such as CBD, gambling, crypto, etc. without getting banned. AdvertSuite 2.0 allows you to directly search the top niches that users have issues with and how to promote these links and niches by showing you the winning and losing ads that follow the tops to allow them to do so. This is game-changing as these niches are less competitive due to TOS breaks, but are extremely profitable with a small few taking the lion's share. Now you can too.